Good morning. It's August 8th of 2024, and today we're going to kind of take a different approach as far as what we're going to talk about. And I'd like to talk about why people fail. Yeah, why do people fail? And that's a hard question to ask yourself. Why are you failing? Especially if you believe that you have a process in place that is going to help you have an edge within trading. Why are you failing? And I've been at this for about 15 years, and that was probably the hardest question I ever had to ask myself. If what you have in place truly works, then why are you failing? And what I came to realize is that I was failing because I was losing the emotional side of trading. And that was one of the things that I was taught right away, but I neglected because I always believed that if I started to win, then the emotions would go away. But that's not true. That's not true at all. As a matter of fact, that is just the way the good Lord wired you. And if you are struggling right now to stay in a trade or to make money consistently, it's probably not due to your technical analysis. I would be willing to bet you that your technical analysis is dead on. Matter of fact, the majority of the people that I work with, their technical analysis is by far some of the best I've ever seen. But they continue to fail because they fail to execute. And the reason why they fail to execute is because deep down inside they have this battle with their emotions that they're not willing to face. And until you face that as a trader, it doesn't matter what process you have, how much technical analysis is on your chart, you will fail because trading is very, very mental. It's the hardest thing to do because it's so mental. Because they will whipsaw you like they have been in the last couple of weeks, where they'll run you up and then they'll beat you down and then they'll beat you down only to run you up. And if you're experiencing this as a trader, you know what I'm talking about. Take a look at the action here just in the last few days. I mean, look at this. Just in the last few days, we have gone down. Now we're coming up. Now where do we go? I don't know. But prior to that even, look, the run up, the run down, the run up, the run down. And if you're struggling with this, we need to change that. And as a coach in all this, I really want people to understand why they're failing. And it's because of the mental side. So what do we do in order to change that? Well, first of all, you got to find someone that you trust, okay, who understands what they're teaching as far as the strat. As many of you guys know, I am a stratter. I love to use time frames, bigger time frames, right? Year, quarter, month, week, and day. And here's the thing. When the market gets really choppy, yes, I will drill down into an intraday chart. As much as I don't want to, I will do it because I understand that when the market changes, I have to change. But for some of you, what you'll do, you'll take this course, you'll pay thousands of dollars, and you'll insist on trying to do it that way rather than making the market your own. And over time, what I have found is that you have to be open to all the ideas. But somewhere along the line, you have to accept responsibility in all this and design the market to do what you want it to do, because if it doesn't, then you don't participate. But also at the same time, you've got to be willing to look deep down inside and ask yourself, what are my strengths? What do I mean by that? Okay, I have worked with all different types of traders. Some traders, you know what? They can sit in a trade for a year. Other traders can't sit it in for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Now that's one extreme to the next, but my point is that we are all wired completely different. Some of us are so emotional that we can't even control our emotions when we're in the trade for 5 minutes, while others, they can stay in that thing until the chart tells them to get out. And you know what I'm talking about. As stratters, if you truly believe in the strat system, it works with every time frame. Let me say that again. It works with every time frame. Here's the secret. Find a coach that can teach you on the time frame that matches your personality. And once you start to marry the strat along with your personality and your risk reward, you're going to find out that your bank account is going to change. Your approach to the market will change. That's the truth about trading. And that's the truth about trading the strat. Find someone to help you. It works. That's all I have. Talk to you later.